All right, so here we go. Chills, Luke. Here we go. Matt's in here. What's up, guys? Perfect timing. We're going to get started right now. So good luck, everybody. Quick fill, quick payments. We appreciate it. And we'll get this going. We're going to save the good packs, I should say. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There it is. I was about to say, I'm making sure we get 10 in each. If I see that we're going to get an auto or something, I will try to set it aside, but I can't guarantee that. Alright. Martinez rookie. Wow, first pack. Mariners. Julio Rodriguez. Rookie card. And a Nick Goodrum. Purple. Update purple. Second card of the break. Who was it? Schultz again? I need CeeDee Lamb. Urias. Correa. Jacob deGrom insert. And a Stephen Kwan. Rookie debut purple. That's not a bad one. Oh, I'm behind too, because they haven't even kicked it yet. So touchdown just happened. Wow, Bobby Witt. Bobby Witt rookie for the Royals. No way he misses this one. Wow. How do you miss 3? Wow. He's gonna get taken out. Refractor. Suzuki rookie and Nestor Cortez and a Josh Donaldson. I didn't know, I just predicted the future. Yeah, for some reason my game is also behind. Wentz rookie and a Will Smith. Not the Will Smith we want to see, right? Gonzo. Stephen Kwan generation. And Urias. Purple. Got 4 more packs in this box. Bassett and Jorge Soler. Purple. What's up, Shaw? ABC. I have ABC on. Heliot Ramos, Hummel, Ted Williams, and Carlos Correa. Very, there's almost not purple on the top. So off cut. Jeez. Send it to PSA. Send it to PSA. Alright. Hunter Green, Will Smith, and Brad Miller. Alright, one more pack. Let's see if we can get something here. Refractor of Freddie Freeman for the Dodgers. And Doolittle. Another one that's kind of miscut. Alright, clean this up a little bit and we'll get on to box number 2. Nice little cheap break on a Monday night. And got more stuff coming this week. We'll have another break posted this week. Something that I think everyone will have lots of fun with. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I believe so too. I think this is going to be another game where Tom Brady goes off in the second half. And I'm going to pull this right out because this is a nice one. Bobby Witt. Bobby Witt Jr. Purple. Rookie card. Very nice. Nice Bobby Witt for the Royals. Mackenzie Gore and a Robin Yount. Suzuki debut, Miranda, Arias, and an Austin Nola purple. There you go, Ray. Ray, you've been pretty good. George Kirby, Jose Ramirez, and a Mike Clevenger. Hunter Green rookie. There's a nice one. Wow, wasn't expecting that. AJ Pollock. How about an auto? Cole Sands for the Twins. Refractor auto. Cole Sands. There we go. Do you guys want to know the odds on hitting an auto out of this box? This is going to shock people. The odds of hitting an autograph is 1 in 19,845 packs. I'll say that again. Autograph. 1 in 19,845. Beating the odds, that's what we're doing. And I think that's just a color. Wow, Suzuki purple as well for the Cubs. And Spencer Torque generation now. Another nice one. It's a nice box. And Michael Fulmer, purple. Steve Carlton for the Phillies. And Grichuk for the Rockies. Team color match. See what else this box can give us here. George Kirby. Lucius Fox, Ryan, and Alcantara. Purple for the Pods. We just hit a card that is 1 in 19,000 odds, so that just happened. Oh, wow, what a nice card. Refractor All-Star Game, Jazz Chisholm for the Marlins. That is a nice looking card. And a Jordan Luplow. Yeah, Cole Sands, rookie refractor auto. Uh-oh, Micah Parsons is down. That's not good. Bobby Witt debut. Royals eating this break. And a Jason Christian, San Francisco rookie purple. So 2 boxes in, and we're doing pretty well. Already hit an auto, a Bobby Witt purple, and plenty of other purples and rookies. So many that I actually have not taken them all out and sleeved them and top loaded them. So that's a good sign. And we got our last final box. Let's see if we can get something in these. Let's go for some color. Let's get some color here. Last box, Mojo. We got an auto. We got a purple. let's get an auto or some color. Dansby Swanson and a Cooper Hummel, a rookie for the D-backs. O'Neal Cruz on the back. There we go. O'Neal Cruz rookie debut purple. Another off-center one. Ah, yeah, Jazz Chisholm. Love the card. Royce Lewis, Heliot Ramos, Jordan Alvarez, generation now, and a Hunter Green purple. These purples are real good this box. This whole break, these purples have been very, very good. Catch, Goodrum, and Brendan Donovan, another purple rookie. We did pull an auto. We pulled a Cole Sands auto for the Twins. Spencer Torque, Brisky, Babe Ruth, and a Tommy Romero purple. All right, Bryson Stott, William Woods, Nola, and Mackenzie Gore purple. That is debut. All right, 4 more packs, guys. Pretty cheap, nice break. Bryson Stott, rookie, very nice. Tony Gonsolin and Jake Marisnick. Let's see if we can get one more nice purple. There's another Cole Sands, and that's going to be a purple. Twins. A real good break for the Twins. And base. 2 more. Purples have been insane. Purples made this break, and then the auto was a bonus. Hunter Renfroe, Juan Soto, generation now, and John Gray, purple. All right, let's see what we can end off with, ladies and gentlemen. We have Zimmer, Levestida, Michael Fuller, and the Royce Lewis purple rookie debut. Yeah, the purples were amazing. Let me just sleeve up a couple of these, and I'll do a quick recap for those that would like to see what we got here in this quick one. But nice and cheap break. The Twins hit pretty well. A lot of good rookies for these big teams. I think all the big teams hit their rookies that they were looking for. If not, they got a purple rookie of them. Because we got Suzuki, we got Witt, Julio, Kwan, purples. Lots of purples, lots of stuff. So the big hitters, I'm going to get to sleeve and everything, but here are the 2 big ones. Cole Sands, refractor auto for the Twins, and the Bobby Witt purple for the Royals. Also got a couple of these ones. Julio, Kwan, Witt, Suzuki purple, O'Neal Cruz purple, Hunter Green purple, and plenty more. So I'll get this posted up on IGTV so everyone can go back and watch it if they were not here. We'll get stuff sorted and getting ready to ship. And another break this week. Stay tuned for that one.